a hardwood floor screen and recoat. Well, I call it a clean and recoat because I don't use the normal screens. So I use this SPP pad and I go ahead and spray, and I kind of do it wet. Not wet, it's like drenched, but you know, kind of a spray and buff kind of deal, which doesn't make a lot of dust, right? So this floor's, I guess it's been, I don't know, 10 years since it's been cleaned. It was cleaned by the pastor of this church actually did it himself, but he just doesn't want to do it anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do a screen and recoat. We're gonna use neutral base cleaner for while I'm screening this, actually cleaning it. Preparation, so SPP stands for surface preparation pad. So that makes the finish adhere to the floor and not like peel up later or anything like that. So I did run into some hiccups this morning. I mean, this morning was kind of a little crazy for me. Just got back from vacation, you know, in vacation mode still, and then I get home and the products that I ordered didn't show up. Actually, my refinishing product did not arrive. Custom coatings, hardwood floor refinishers, what I usually use, I had no time to order it. So I went ahead locally to Lowe's and got this stuff. And hopefully it turns out great. I'm sure it will. I mean, it costs more than basic coating, hardwood floor finishing. Did I say custom coating? Anyway, forgive me guys. Still scatterbrained. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole floor with the surface preparation. I'm also gonna do that little area there. By the time I get halfway done here, Brenda should be here and she'll follow me with this. And now this has got neutral cleaner in there, and it's called Squeaky Clean from Basic Coatings. And what she's gonna do is just go up and down like she's vacuuming and rinse all that, pick up everything that knocked off and give it a good clean. And then what we'll do is we'll lay down the finisher. All right, stay tuned. Now you can do this dry also, then you're gonna have more dust to deal with and stuff. So when you go over this, you gotta just make sure you go at a nice, fluent, even. You don't want to sit in one place too long, especially if you have a floor that's, you know, stained. Take out the stain. I'm not gonna do too much filming like this because you ain't got like dry and moist areas. It'll want to take off on me. So I think you get the routine. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this done. All right, so I switched it up halfway through. As you can tell, it's more whiter there. That half I did with the spray and buff. This has I'm just doing dry. And I'm kind of liking the results dry. I'm seeing that it's taking off scuff marks and stuff easier. And it doesn't clog up the pad so much. The thing about this pad, when it's sat, you don't have to worry about getting scratch marks or anything because the pad itself is made in a way that it will never do that. So that's what's great about it. So I think I'm liking the dry method better. So I'm gonna go ahead and for this job, because you know I'm not in a residential. It's a pretty open area, so I guess you kind of just figure out what your game plan is, depending on the job you're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a real good clean on this. After, pick up all that dust. I do have a guard for this too, van today. You can put a guard around these things really cheap. $20 or something. Now, I learned about this SPP pad from Wyoming, Hardwood floor YouTube channel. Guy super knowledgeable about wood, but they mostly do like gym floors and stuff like that. But guy's an expert. It's really entertaining too. Subscribe to his channel if you want to learn some more about hardwood floor. Plus, of course, Courtney, Truman Steamers. He does residential. So he does a lot of screen and recoat. He's really changed the game as far as cleaners adding that to their arsenal. I used to shout Truman Steamers out all the time. Say, hey man, I shoot people, mentioning you, kind of supporting the guy, I don't know, I think he thinks I might be a troll or something, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I still support people. He's one reason why I'm doing so well in my business, because I just followed his business model. So check out his YouTube channel and all that good stuff. Let me finish up. Got the Namco out. I'm gonna get the bigger one soon. It's been on my list of things to get. Right now, Namco's doing just fine. So she's gonna clean. It's a neutral base cleaner in there. Pick up all that dust and everything, and then we can get ready to seal this thing. Or actually, put a refinisher on. So. All right, so she's getting a good clean with the Namco. I'm gonna go around with the flat moist and go around the edges again. Make sure we got all dust and everything and over the whole thing, pretty much. And make sure we got everything up before we go on to refinish. This thing's got such short extension cords, and I forgot to bring my extension cord. Luckily, we have them spread out just enough to where we can get everything. Got my shoe covers on. So, being the UPS guy did not deliver my product on time, I ended up paying an extra $220 to do this job. So when I originally quoted it, I wasn't expecting that, right? So I'm making $220 less than I would have. But at least I'll have some on hand for next time, right? So I'll make more money on the next job. John Don's really good at it. If it doesn't show up, they'll send you out something right away. So they sent me out the replacement right away, no charge. And if you're just getting into the carpet cleaning industry, the floor cleaning industry, JohnDon.com is a great. That's where you're gonna find 90% of whatever you need as far as cleaning solutions, equipment, and all that stuff. Specialty stuff, I pretty much direct that below my videos. I'll link all the tools I love and use. same thing for the whole floor.